Hi, this is Tina from PlayPauseYoga. If you want to learn dancer pose, then this is the video for you. Stay until the end because Ilona is going to cover a mistake that's very common and that you should absolutely avoid. So enjoy the video.
So right now we'll demonstrate dancer pose. So dancer pose is a huge heart opening pose, as well as strengthening your back and working on your balancing position. So first thing, I'm going to show it to the side so you can really see the shapes I am taking and transitioning into. First thing is to really ground yourself down into the floor. Once you have that, just select one of the leg you would like to work with. So I'm going to start with my left leg, and I bend my left knee, allowing my left hand to grab my left ankle. Option to grab the ankle, option to grab the feet. That's yogi's choice. Once you have this, allow the left kneecap to be pressed down in direction of the floor. This way you will feel that your hip flexors on the left side are being challenged here as well. Once you have this, keep your heart open, shoulder blades coming into one another, and you can lengthen the right arm in front of you. Once you have that, very slowly, we're gonna press with the left foot in direction of the left hand and pressing down, allowing the feet to come up. As much as the feet comes up, my hand's gonna come up. So you're wanting to look like a drop of water. It's important here to focus on one point of view that is not moving to keep your balance and slowly coming out of the position. Pay attention to keep as much as you can your hips squared and not opening to the side. That's really seen in classes, is that we open to the side wanting to get deeper into the poses. It's more important for you to go less deep and further into the pose, but do it correctly, rather than do it not correctly and have a beautiful dancer pose, right? So take your time, observe your hips, and just keep your heart open as much as you can and observe what does like a drop of water looks like. It is the shape we want to reproduce in our body.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, if you want to learn everything about over 80 different asanas, along with other content as well, we have created an amazing course called PlayPauseYoga. Click on the link below and get your free trial today. And if you haven't gotten it yet, this is the PlayPauseYoga deck. This will help you create your own sequences and construct your own self-practice, letting you be more focused and deepen your own practice. So I will leave the link for this one also below, and I wish you a wonderful day.